right, all right. Let's go with these. Everybody's a duet, or you guys are together?
Yes, we are.
All right. You are?
I'm Bob Blinick.
Steve Witzel.
Where are you from, fellas?
I'm from Skokie, Illinois.
Sorry about the Rose Bowl, but it's the way it goes.
Next year, like
Next year,
say.
yeah. What's the name of the song?
It's called I'm Sending My Heart to You.
I'm sending
my heart to you.
I'm sending my heart to you.
You know that, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Key of E. I'm sending my heart to you. It's coming, C-O-D.
Well, that's... Try it? Okay. Close, but no cigar.
I send my lungs to Arizona. I send my liver to Peru. I sent my spleen and my kidneys for the summer to Sydney, but I'm sending my heart to you.
Fair enough. Okay. Okay, dinner for four. The Talsay Restaurant, West Hollywood. Okay? Go work out. Thank you, guys. We'll be back after this. What is this? Yes, sir. Golden Crunchy. Here's a feisty old lady. Where's a feisty? Here's a feisty little lady. Who's going to tell us about O'Reilly's great tasting French fries. That's what they're going to do.